Garbage bin was so dirty and so yucky, so I went on Google search to find the best company. Thankfully, I'm now here with Alan, the owner of Bin Medic, and the head technician, Kyle. My bins haven't been cleaned for about 2 years. Ew, yuck. You can see all of the flies swarming around the garbage. And unfortunately, he's got to get right in there to scoop out all that crud. So Kyle is spraying at 200 degrees Fahrenheit and at 3,000 psi.
As you can see, when we get up close, the amount of steam that comes out of the van from the 200 degree Fahrenheit water, you know you're getting a clean job. If you've ever tried washing your car with cold water, it actually turns out dirtier when you're finished with the water spots. The hot water is absolutely essential in getting these bins cleaned. As you can see, we go the extra mile. We scrub everything out so that you're left with a spotless bin at the end of the day. And with regular cleaning, these bins will stay clean, they'll smell fresh, and like I said before, we will not impact the environment and the animals and that, and keep our kids and everybody using the bins safe. This is a 360 degree spinning head pushing out 3,000 psi, which is just ripping the crud and the dirt off the inside of the bins. As we're cleaning the bins, it's collecting all of that water so that none of it's escaping onto the streets. And then at the end of the day, we can be responsible and get rid of it at an authorized facility. See, it's so steamy that Kyle has to wave his hand just to be able to see in the bin.
Look at that, it's perfectly clean. There's no more crud, and most importantly, no more flies. Oh, what's this part of the truck, Alan?
This is the brains of the operation, where we keep everything running smooth. So this is where all the pumps and the fresh water tanks, and as well, this is the boiler system that's creating that 200 degree Fahrenheit water so that we're able to get the crud actually out of the bins and get them clean and spotless for you. The boiler creates the temperature at 200 degrees Fahrenheit water, and with the 3,000 psi coming out the back, you combine the two, we end up with an exceptionally clean bin. We would like to give a free bin cleaning to one of your subscribers.
Wow, thank you so much. Congratulations, Dallas. I sincerely thank you for subscribing to Link Life Money. Bin Medic would like to award you a free bin clean.
This is something that separates us from the competitors as well, is that we actually go the extra mile. We wipe down the bins with a dry towel and dry them inside and out so that you're not left with moisture, just creating more bacteria later. And at the end of this, you'll notice that he'll, when he's finished drying them out, he'll spray a disinfectant lavender spray, leaving them smelling beautiful. So the next time you open the lid, it's not a big surprise.
That's a lot of work, Kyle. You're never gonna have to go to the gym. Oh, yeah, definitely. Because I mean, you gotta bend, you gotta twist, you gotta lift the stuff, and yeah, it's a lot of work all day long for sure. BinMedic has 364 Google reviews with an average 5-star rating. So Alan, how did you come about creating BinMedic?
We came about creating BinMedic because we noticed that there was an issue just even around our own personal house with the smell coming from the bins and the amount of flies and whatnot that were hanging around. And we all know that flies create maggots.
Definitely.
And so that's how we knew that there had to have been a better idea than trying to wash your bins on your own lot and then having your kids and your animals stepping into that, bringing that bacteria back into your house, and then trying to wash it yourself and having the debris come back in your face when you're trying to wash it. There had to have been a better choice.